Okay, guys. Here's example 1. It says, check whether the ordered pair is a solution of 2x minus 3y is greater than or equal to negative 2. So what we're going to do here is I'm actually going to divide the screen up into these three problems. And you guys know that whenever I'm checking to see if something's a solution or I'm evaluating for certain values of variables, I like to write the equation or the inequality with parentheses where my values are going to go before I fill them in. So I'm actually going to write that for each one of these. So 2 parentheses minus 3 parentheses is greater than or equal to negative 2. And then 2 parentheses minus 3 parentheses is greater than or equal to negative 2. Okay, so I've got them all there now. And I'm going to fill in the values they gave me. In this one, x is equal to 2, so I'm going to plug it in here. And y is equal to 0, because that's where the y was in the original inequality. And I'm going to get 4 minus 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2. And then that's going to be 4 is greater than or equal to negative 2. And since that's a true statement, 4 is bigger than negative 2, the point 2, 0 is a solution. Okay? Now, let's look at this next one. I'm going to plug in 0 for x in this case, and 1 for y. And 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. It's greater than or equal to negative 2. When I simplify that, I'm going to get negative 3 is greater than or equal to negative 2. And that's just not true. Negative 3 is actually smaller than negative 2. So the point 0, 1 is not a solution. When I graph this linear inequality, it's actually not going to be, that point would not be in the shaded area. Okay? And then when I look at number 3 here, I'm going to plug in negative 2 for x and negative 1 for y. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 is greater than or equal to negative 2. When I combine these two, I'm going to get negative 1 is greater than or equal to negative 2, and that's true. Negative 1 is bigger than negative 2. Alright, so that means that the point negative 2, negative 1 is a solution, and it would be in the shaded area when we graph the inequality. Okay? Good job, guys.